It's a more healthier way of eating than eating frozen meals or fast food or anything. It takes a little bit more time, but it's a better way of eating. It's going to be healthier.
Today we're doing a workshop on culinary medicine.
Culinary medicine is really important, especially for patients, because a lot of health problems can stem from what we eat, and a healthy diet can really help to mitigate some chronic health problems. And it helps make people feel better too.
It's not just for high schoolers, it's really for our medical residents as well.
They're teaching us cooking skills and we're teaching them about the Mediterranean diet.
It's not technically a diet, it's more of a style of eating. The Mediterranean style is something that you can incorporate every single day and not get tired of it.
People that embrace that lifestyle tend to live longer, have less diabetes and heart disease. But it's not well accepted in Eastern North Carolina, and there's a lot of barriers, like people don't really understand it, or they think it's expensive. What we know is that it can be very well adapted to our region with foods that we like here if we learn to cook them just a little bit differently.
All the workstations, it's a different income level. It's a lower cost plan, moderate cost plan, and the liberal cost plan.
Some taste testing. I had 3 different types of olive oil, each with different price points. It doesn't really matter where you're buying your olive oil from. The nutrient content is the same, and there's only a slight taste difference.
Doing this helps me learn a lot about it, and hopefully I can make it for my family at home.
I just like that I get to help people learn how to cook food and how to help other people.